a question.
Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Today, I'm gonna share with you some interesting cases for the law enthusiasts like me.
This is just a sprinkling of legal cases which should be accessible to anybody, whether you're thinking about law as a potential subject or you just want to bring it out. One common theme of these fascinating cases is, first, what makes us treat very similar cases very differently, and how do we know where to draw the line between them?
Without further ado, let's explore the first question. Do we really own our bodies? The answer revealed to be a stern no. Currently, there's no law system where a person has full ownership of their body. You're probably surprised by this answer, since it's only natural that we assume we own our bodies absolutely, without a second thought. If we can sue for injuries inflicted upon our bodies, then surely our bodies are our properties, right? So how come there isn't a law that states we have ownership to our bodies? But think about this, if law made us the absolute owners of our body, then prostitution, the practice of organ sale on the black market, assisted suicide, and even abortion would be legal. Think about the wave of upheavals this implicates. In the case of Alf v. Bentham 2005, the defendant committed a robbery giving the impression that he owned a gun by placing his hand inside a zip-up jacket. He was initially charged with the possession of an imitation firearm, which violated the Firearm Act of 1965. However, this conviction was later overturned because he could not be said to be in possession of a part of his body. Apparently, the judge's ruling denied the legal status of the human body. However, the law is full of dynamics subject to constant changes, reflecting the general trends in society. As secular sentiments become increasingly prevalent, as well as new medical developments, judges shy away from rigid prohibition against property rights of the human body. In the more recent case of Earworth v. North Bristol NHS Trust 2009, the claimants sued a hospital for failing to properly preserve their sperm samples, as the claimants later on underwent a chemotherapy which would prevent them from providing future sperm samples for fertility. Surprisingly, the court shifted its earlier conservative position and embraced a property-based model for the claimant's body. So essentially, the claimants won because they had rights over their sperm. Therefore, it proved my point that there are always exceptions attached to each distinct case decision. It's also evident that as science and medicine continue to progress, the law is also capable of keeping up with them. Thank you guys! I hope this video helps you understand law better and share my enthusiasm for the legal studies.